Okay, meteorologist Dean Davidson, we're going to have a quick update here of what's going on, and we can tell you we have a little bit of a low, but this is going to not be very long. This is going to be your main line coming back here, and things are moving to the northeast. You're going to have rotation in these lines, so the chances of tornadoes still very much a high chance. So we have a storm near Roanoke. You have the line back here. You get some rotation down near Hillsville. This will continue throughout the afternoon and evening. Flooding going on in Roanoke City. It's been so we're on round 2 coming up here, and we'll keep an eye on that. So now we're going to take a look at something else. We're going to take a look here. This is the significant tornado parameter, and you see we're still highly in the significant tornado parameter with these storms still to the west. So when it gets into the area, Bedford County, Franklin County, Roanoke County, the rotation will probably pick up again. We'll have more warnings. So this is stuff that's really important to understand. The tornado that touched down in Franklin County, the potential tornado that touched down up in Bedford County. This is only start. We still have a ways to go here with severe thunderstorms and tornadic weather. So please keep an eye on this as we go through the afternoon. Like I said, this is one of the bigger things. Damaging winds when this line occurs, up to possibly above 70 miles an hour, are likely. Tornadoes, flooding at Plantation and Colonial occurring with over 13 inches of water all on the roadway. So anyhow, very, very important that we keep an eye on that. We'll keep you updated here, and stay safe. Meteorologist Dean Davidson.